Alright, so the Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro are basically everywhere right now. We've seen the official renders, the software animations, and now real life photos too. And with the launch happening next week alongside the Galaxy S26 series, this feels right on schedule. Now, first impressions, the standard Buds 4 in glossy white look clean, but glossy plastic always plays tricks with light. It reflects more, which can sometimes make it feel a bit less premium, even if the build quality is perfectly fine. It's that shiny finish effect. The Buds 4 Pro in matte black though, completely different vibe. Matte almost always wins when it comes to perceived quality. It absorbs light instead of bouncing it around, which gives it that more refined, serious look. And that metallic strip on the stem, that's interesting. On the Buds 3 series, Samsung leaned into those light strips. Very futuristic, very flashy. It feels like they've swapped the glow for something more grown up. If you loved the personality and the sci-fi aesthetic of the Buds 3, the new design might feel toned down. But if you prefer something cleaner and less attention-seeking, that metal accent actually feels more premium and less gimmicky. But here's something you'll notice. From the top-down view inside the case, they look super slim. The stems sit flat, everything looks neat, and your brain immediately goes, okay, these are compact. But then you rotate them, and they look a bit more substantial. Not oversized, let's be clear, but definitely not ultra slim either. What's happening is you're finally seeing the full depth of the housing instead of just the flat stem. That extra thickness is just the reality of fitting drivers, batteries, and ANC hardware inside. Another design tweak, the charging contacts are now placed on the stem because the earbuds sit flat in the case instead of upright. And the case itself, the rear button looks more oval this time compared to the round one on the Buds 3 series. Small detail, but noticeable. Feature-wise, the rumors suggest Samsung isn't just changing looks. We're hearing about possible real-time call translation, bidirectional speaker tech, head gesture controls, improved ANC, and battery life pushing up to around 26 hours total. There's also talk of IP55 or IP57 protection depending on the model. And yes, the big question people keep asking, does the case have a speaker to help you find it? From the latest images, probably not. There are no visible speaker grills on the case, which suggests Samsung may have scrapped that idea. You'll likely still be able to trigger sound from the earbuds through the Galaxy Wearable app if they're connected, but the case itself probably won't ping if you lose it. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.